Hello and good morning everyone. Welcome back to the online class. Today we are here to discuss about the chapter summary and we'll discuss about the exercises of the chapter, okay? So what are the things we have just seen yesterday, what we have read yesterday. Now we'll take a quick recap of that and we'll go through the summary of the chapter, okay? So dog and wolves, you know that they are closely related. They belongs to the same family, and like wolves, dogs were also means free to move here and there. They also live freely, just like wolves, without any restrictions. Okay, and we also know that means centuries over centuries human beings have domesticated and tamed wild animals. They have used the wild animals for fulfilling for their comforts. Here is a story about the how dog became a tame animal. Okay, so now we'll take a quick recap or summary of this chapter. Dog and wolves are closely related family, and they were the they were just like the wolves with the living like wolves without any restrictions. Once such a dog was born, was ill pleased with the way of life. He was sick and tired of wandering about by himself, looking for food and being frightened of those who were stronger than he. He was sick of finding food for himself and was unable to move freely in search of food because he felt tired and was scared of the strong animals, stronger animals than him. He was scared of the animals who were stronger than him. As he struck an idea that he wanted to become he want to serve the strongest animal on the earth, so that his life will become very safest one and it will become easiest one. And after thinking, he started finding the strongest one. After a long walk and search, he met one wolf who not only strong but also had a fierce look. He asked the dog where he was going. The wolf asked to the dog where he was going. The dog replied that he was looking for a master, and if the wolf would like to be his master. The wolf agreed and both went on together. After walking a long distance, suddenly the wolf sniffed. Suddenly the wolf sniffed, moved quickly and went deeper into the forest as he was just hiding from something. He felt something and was trying to hide himself. The dog was unable to understand its behavior, so he asked his master what was that which is frightening you. Then the wolf told him that there was a bear. There was a bear who might eat them, who might eat both of us. On realizing that the bear was stronger than the wolf, the dog changed his mind. Now again the dog switched. He felt the wolf and turned to the bear. He asked him to be his master. The bear also agreed on this. He suggested him to search for a herd of cow, where they will go and find the herd of the cow and they will catch one of them and they will catch and kill a cow to fill their stomachs. After walking distance, they noticed a group of cows, but as they tried to approach them, they were stopped by a terrible sound. The cows were moving loud and running here and there because of the fear. The bear looked from behind a tree and started running quickly into the dense forest. He told the dog that this part of the forest is ruled by the lion. He was the strongest and the most powerful animal on the earth. The dog was surprised to hear this, and he was immediately, as he was looking for the strongest animal, the stronger and which will be the fierce one. Now again he finds someone, other animal which was like beast, equal to a beast for anyone. Immediately left the bear. The dog left the bear. Now the dog turned to the lion and requested him to be his master. And the same thing happened. The lion agreed to it, and the dog stayed with him and served him for a long time. It was a good life, and he had nothing to complain of, for there was no stronger beast in the forest than the lion. Nobody was there to touch or offend him. Now the dog was living a very comfortable life, and he had nothing to fear. Again, sometimes later, when the two of them were strolling together, in the forest, the lion stopped instantly. The lion stopped quickly. That he roared aloud and struck the ground with his paws so intensely that it does a hole in the ground. Yeah, because something was there which made the lion very angry, and in that the lion has forced, means with his paw he forced, he attacked on the, he hit the ground, and in that force it became a hole there. Now the again the dog was confused at what had happened. It was also, means he was surprised after seeing something. Lion was getting back, he was moving back. By seeing this, the dog asked his master if anything wrong. The lion told him that means a man was coming their way, and that they just run away to save themselves. Hearing this, again the dog changed his mind and wanted, as he was searching for the strongest, strongest and the fierce one who can, whom it can serve and feel the safest. Now the dog, found a man who was the strongest one on the earth, the intelligent one. Now the dog went to be with the man and stayed with him and served him faithfully. So this happened long, long ago, but to this day the dog is the most loyal servant and knows other for the other master. Yeah, the means nowadays, we, as I have told yesterday also, that no one is much faithful than a dog. It means no animal can be much more faithful than a dog. You can trust them, you can, you can be the best friends for them. As I've given one example, if you are having a dog at your home, when your father or mother is coming to beat you or to punish you, your dog will always be there to protect you from your parents or anyone, your friends or the enemies who are going to attack you. They will always, means the dog will be there to protect you. Okay, so dog is the most loyal one for us, for the human beings. Okay, now we'll discuss about the chapter, exercises. So now we'll discuss about the exercises of the chapter. Here, working with the text. The question number A is, discuss these questions in pairs before you write the answers. You have to give the answer for the following questions, and in every question, at the end of every question, their paragraph numbers are also given. You can go through that. But now here I'll discuss about the questions. You can go through the books, PDFs, whatever you have, you can go through that. Okay, for writing the answers. First one, why did the dog feel the need for a master? Why did he wanted to serve? Why did he wanted a master? The dog felt the need for a master because he was sick of searching food and was afraid of strong animals. Who did he first choose as his master? Why did he leave the master? He first chose the wolf as his master. He left him because he was not the strongest of all, as the dog was searching for the strongest and the fierce one. But the wolf was not the strongest, and he was not the fierce one too, because he was afraid of the bear. Who did he choose next? Next, he chose the bear as his master. Next, after leaving the wolf, he chose um, bear as his master. Why did he serve the lion for a long time? He served him for a long time because he felt safe and secure with him. He had a good life there because no one was there. No one can dare to touch the lion, and with this, the dog felt safe under him, and he had a great life too. Who did he finally choose as his master, and why? He finally chose man as his master because he found him to be the strongest one. Yeah, because ultimately he found that every means wolf was afraid of bear was afraid of lion, but now the lion, who was the beast of the means of all the animals, he is also afraid of someone, and he is afraid of the man. And according to the dog, he was searching for the strongest and the fierce one, and now he found that man is the one who is the strongest one. So finally he decided to serve a man. Question number B. A summary of the story is given below. Fill in the blanks to complete it, taking appropriate phrase from the box. Okay, now here is a summary given. You have to complete with the help of the box. Okay, this is the story of dash. This is the story of dash. This is the story of a dog, right? Who used to be dash. Who used to be um, his own master. He decided to find a master stronger than anyone else. First, he found a wolf, but the wolf was afraid of bear. Was afraid of the bear. The dog thought that the bear was the strongest of all. After some time, the dog met a lion. A lion who seemed the strongest. He stayed with the lion for a long time. One day he realized that the lion was afraid of a man. To this day, the dog remains man's best friend. So this is the short summary. You have to fill it with the help of that box, the help box. Okay, here, second one, the next one is working with language. Question number A. Each word in the box given below indicates a large number of. For example, a herd of cows. As you have seen this phrase in the chapter, a herd of a cow means a group of a cow. What we say, a group of a cow or whatever the animals refer to many cows. Complete each of the following phrases with a suitable word from the box. You have to choose this. You have to means you can take the help of I think net also for completing this exercise. But now here I'll tell you. First one, a dash of sips. A dash of sips. Fleet of ships. Second, a dash of flowers, a bunch of flowers. A dash of chicks, a, a brood of chicks. Fourth one, a dash of cattle, a herd of cattle, same as a herd of cows, a herd of cattle. Fifth one, a dash of sticks, a bundle of sticks. A dash of ship, a, a flock of ship, A dash of fish, a School of fish. A school of fish. School of fish. Okay, school of fish. Right. Eighth one, a dash of wolves. A pack of wolves. Okay. So first one is a fleet of ships. Second one, a bunch of flowers. Third one, a brood of chicks. Fourth one, a herd of cattle. Fifth one, a bundle of sticks. Sixth one, a flock of sheep. Seventh one, a school of fish. And the eighth one is a pack of wolves. Okay. In question number B, make nouns from the words given below by adding ness or ity at the end of the word. Okay. Now some words are given here. You have to add ness or ity. Okay. But exceptions, for some words we need to add just ty or only y. For some of the words which is given below, you have to write only, means you have to add only ty or y. Okay, we can go through that. First one, honest. What can we add here? I think you should do it yourself. Okay, so now I want to leave this for you. I have given this in your assignment and you have to complete this by your own. Okay. Now here, word search. There are 12 words hidden in this table. 6 can be found horizontally and the remaining 6 vertically. All of them are describing words like good, happy, etc. You know about describing words, the words which describes about noun. Okay. So these are called the describing words, and you have to find the words, the describing word from the below box. Okay. The first letter of the words are given below. All the horizontal and vertical words are given there. The first letter of that word is given. Now what you have to do is to find horizontal and vertically. You have to find the describing word. Okay. For H you have to find, I found it, hasty. In the first line you can see hasty. Horizontal you can find the first one, H for hasty. Now like this you have to find R, F, F, S, G. For in vertical you have to find A, W, S, F, L, Q. Okay, the starting words are given. Now you have to just follow this and you have to find all the describing words from this box. Okay. Now here, read the following passage and do the exercise that follow, then complete the family tree of dogs given on the facing page. Here are some of the pictures given of the dog family. See. Okay, now you have to complete this. But first you have to read this passage. Okay. After reading this passage, you have to complete this passage. I would like that you should you will read this and you have to find all the question answers, because this is the easy one. You can do this along with this family tree or dog. You can do this. Okay. So I am leaving this to you. So this is all about the chapter. 2 things I have left for you, that the dog family, you have to read the passage and find out the answers given below. The questions are given below. You have to find the question number C, word search. You have to find it yourself. And question number B, make nouns from the words given below by adding ns or ity. And for some words we need to add these questions. You have to do it by yourself. Okay. Question number B, question number C, and question number D. This is all you have to do it by yourself. Okay. So go through the video and assignments properly and complete this what I have left for you. Okay.